Hey Jenna, why did it take you so long to leave the narcissist? I mean, 24 years, duh. Okay, I'll give you 3 reasons. Not excuses, reasons, okay? Number 1, you can't escape from a prison till you know you're in one. I didn't know I was in one. Now, the famous Bob Proctor, in his book, he said those words, and I read that book. It dawned on me. The words have power. It dawned on me. We're in a prison. I'm in a prison. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Here it is. All right. I'm from the South. As you can tell, right? Tennessee. And in 1991, when I married, preachers were thought to be as God. Okay, it's like when God says something, when a preacher says something, there's not any difference, right? Okay, so I was under the understanding and had been raised to respect, admire, listen to all preachers that were preaching the gospel. Little did I know a preacher on the outside world is different than on the inside. How they can be a man of God in the church and get home and terrorize their family. So yeah, the wool was pulled over my eyes. And wolves come in sheep's clothing, right? Okay, number 3. Number 3 is fear. Yes, I was afraid. I was. Fear overtook me at times. I wanted to leave and thought about leaving. But gosh, where will I go? What will I do? And I had aging parents at the time. And I didn't have any money. All of these play in fear. And when you're constantly told, who's going to want you? Who's going to want you? You better be glad that I love you, because probably nobody else will. I mean, you are in your 50s, Jenna. Who's going to want you? Okay, there you have it. There's the 3 reasons. Got it?